So I'm here at my local Walmart, and I found when I came here, this was their new thing. This is like all the way down there with lines all along the ground, and goes all the way up to the front of the store. And this is our new normal. I'll be updating you guys once I'm inside to tell you what they have and what they don't, and then I'll post it on my social media when I get home after I do a bunch of editing, and I'll put it on all my social media platforms. So it's cold, but you know, it's whatever. But they have it all blocked off all the way down to the very end of the store. And yeah, so I'm standing here waiting in line to get into the store, and this guy's going off blabbering about Nevada. I'm like, this is all over the place. He just won't shut up. I'm just like, dude, it's all over the place. And yet you still have people complain like that. It's like, we don't want to hear your shit. Nobody wants to hear your shit. It's people like this guy that really like irritate me, because it's all over the place. It's not just here, it's all over. So shut up, please. Here's another thing that really irritates me, is that when you're standing in line and you have a mask on and you're coughing, dude, go home. You're putting people like me at risk when you're coming into the store coughing. Go home. These are just things that really grind my gears. People have no consideration. I've already seen 3 people in front of me coughing. This is freaking nuts. These are the people that are spreading this shit around. If you're coughing, go home. You're putting people at risk. Go home. There's one more thing. You think those little masks are gonna save you? I see so many people wearing them right now. I'm like, you guys, that's not gonna do anything. That's not gonna protect anything. That doesn't have a seal. Doesn't have shit. And yet everyone is wearing them now. I'm like, y'all are ridiculous. That ain't gonna protect you from shit. Come on, people, wake up. That ain't gonna protect you. The only thing that's gonna protect you is wearing a respirator. Not these little masks. Those aren't gonna do shit. They ain't gonna do shit. Ridiculous, man. So I'm in Walmart right now shopping, and every time I see somebody walk past me with a mask, I just laugh. I just think it's hilarious. They think that that's gonna save them. That ain't gonna do shit. Those little masks aren't gonna do shit. They ain't gonna do shit. And yet all these people are walking around going, I'm wearing a mask, look at me, I'm being safe. Now, if you had a respirator, cool. You got a painter's mask on. That ain't gonna save you. Stupid people.